Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. With this facial cupping massage routine, you will feel and look amazing from the inside out. People will start complimenting you on your skin and how great you look. Starting with clean skin and clean tools, we're going to apply a facial oil to provide a nice, smooth glide for our skin throughout. For me, I found best results using a facial oil, but you're welcome to try a facial serum or facial moisturizer and see what works best for you. About 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently mix between our hands. And we're going to apply all over our skin. Our neck, our chest. We're going to work these areas as well, so making sure to apply the lubrication here. All over. The rest on your hands. We're going to start from the center of our chest here with the bigger facial cupping tool. We're going to suction like this, and you want to keep this form with your fingers here and keep it close to your skin throughout. Sweep up and out, release. Moving up, suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Continue, like so. Now we're going to work the neck area here. We're going to first sweep up this way here. So suction, keep this form close to your skin, sweep up and up, release. Continue through the sides here. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side, right here. Suction, sweep up and out, release. 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 Now we're going to do under our chin here. For this area, we'll do 2 swipes. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to begin from the center of our chin here. Suction, and keep this form close to your skin. Sweep up and out, release. The other side. Same thing. Sweep up and out, release. We'll work this area here under our cheek area. Like this. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to work this area right here. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side, right? This area here. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to switch to the smaller facial cupping tool here for this area. So right here, we're going to suction, hold for leverage, sweep up and out, release. The other side. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to do it differently here. We're going to just suction and release. Suction, release, suction, release, suction, release, suction, release, suction. And we're going to pull up with our other hand and sweep up here like that. Now we'll do the other side here. Suction, release, suction, release. Suction, release, suction, release, suction. And we're going to pull up, sweep up, release. Now we're going to do under our eyebrows here, right under. Suction, sweep up and out, release. The other side. Like this. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Now we're going to work up our forehead here. So starting from the center, we're going to suction, sweep up and out, release. Suction, sweep up and out, release. Continue until you get to the edge here. Like this. other side. Suction, sweep up and out. Suction, sweep up and out. Now we're going to work this area here to address frown lines. We're going to suction and sweep outwards like this. Release. The other side like this. Like so. Like this. For the nose area, we're going to just use the tool without suction here. Like this. Like so. The other side. Release. And we're going to work our nasolabial folds and the lines here. Like this. Suction, sweep up. Suction, sweep up. Suction, sweep up. The other side. Suction, sweep up. Suction, sweep up. Suction from right here. Sweep up. For your tools, you can wash them with warm water and soap for your next facial cupping massage. I'm going to put them aside for now. We're going to gently tap our skin to boost blood circulation and the radiance of your skin, just to name a few benefits. Gently tap all over. Your neck. Moving down your shoulders. And just roll your shoulders back and down a few times here. Coming back to our posture. Bringing awareness to relax and soften our facial expression. As always, doing this massage once a day will give you best, longer lasting results. Thank you for watching and doing this with me. Take care and stay hydrated, my beauties.